The global chair market is estimated to be worth over $50 billion. China is the world's largest producer of chairs. Every year, we lose around 10 million hectares of forest, with tree cutting being a major contributor. "3D printing for construction." This technology is still in its early stages but has the potential to automate the construction of entire buildings. Brazil produces roughly 22% of the world's oranges, a whopping 16.75 million metric tons in 2022-23. The world of automatic food processing machines is vast and fascinating, with innovations constantly changing the way we produce and consume food. Automatic utensil production in factories is a fascinating blend of precision engineering and efficient workflow. The world of automatic wheel production is a marvel of modern engineering, churning out these essential car components with impressive speed and precision. Bottle recycling technology is a diverse and rapidly evolving field, offering solutions to minimize plastic waste and turn used bottles into valuable resources. The world of automatic chocolate production is a delicious journey of efficiency and technology, transforming raw cocoa beans into those irresistible treats we all love. Automatic pot shaping machines is actually quite diverse, offering various options for shaping pots from different materials with varying levels of automation. The world of ice cream production in a factory is a delightful journey of blending flavors, churning happiness, and creating those irresistible frozen treats we all love. Modern ice cream factories can produce millions of liters of ice cream per day. Rice harvesting by machine has revolutionized the agricultural landscape, replacing back-breaking manual labor with efficient and productive technology. Rotating cutter bars cut the rice stalks, threshing drums separate the grains from the stalks, and sieves sort and clean the grains. Apple harvesting by machine has become increasingly popular in recent years, as it offers several advantages over traditional handpicking. If you want to grow every fruits and vegetables in your small garden, then check link in description. Modern plowing machines have come a long way from the simple wooden plows of the past, offering increased efficiency, precision, and versatility for farmers of all sizes. Want to learn how I grow delicious, healthy fruits, veggies, and even some healing herbs right in my own backyard? Click the link in the description below and let's get growing.